Hello. Just want to share with you something, guys. I found out who you can use emoji, animated emoji without to have NITRO or something like that. Like you see, I don't have NITRO here. And we have made a channel, call it free animated emoji. If you just go there, you will find all the animated emojis here. If you like one of these, actually they are not animated emojis, they are just a gift. I put them smaller and they look really like you have NITRO, you know, so you can use them anytime you want. All what you need to do, if you like anything of these here, you just go to it with your mouse and click it, and it will go automatically to your favorite. So if you come here and you go to favorites, there you go. See, you can also delete them actually if you don't need them, but you can use them everywhere you go. I like this example, edit it, and you find it here. So pretty cool, right? And so you can use them like that. So you can use, you can edit them many you want. They are all here, so enjoy it, guys. And also we have made gift to emoji. So example, if you have a gift, you like that gift, you want to use it like this everywhere. I mean, also on PM you can use it. You just go here and copy the link from your emoji and share it here with us, and we can make it for you like you see here. Example, if you know some friends of yours, they have NITRO, you can just ask them to message you on PM and send you all the emojis they have. And all what you need to do, example, you go here, also some server, and you see this one, you just like this one, you just right click and then copy link, yeah, and go to me on PM, or you go back to our server and come here and share it. So if you share only this link here, then I would take it from you and I will make it for you, like what you see here. Yeah, so please enjoy it and have fun. Actually, they're funny. You can use them everywhere you go. So have fun, guys, and enjoy it. Catch you later. Bye bye.